Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing another Mercedes Benz EQS. I already have two of them. Today a third one, third color. Actually, it's not just one color, it's a double color or a dual color. I have a black one, I have a gray one, and today in this box we have a combination of, it's gray and dark red, maybe. Okay, so let's check it out. So first I will be unboxing, then I will be reviewing, and then I will be giving it the final rating. So let's start now. Let's first focus on unboxing this one. Again, it came from NZG. Actually, I bought it, yeah, so it was not a sponsored product. I purchased it with my own money, which is a pain, but yeah, since this is such a great model, I had to buy all three colors and then make my decision which one I will keep, and maybe some of them will go. All right, so let's take it out of this first. You see, it's a nice box saying here Obsidian Schwarz High-Tech Silber, which means obsidian black and high-tech silver. Almost the same in English and German. But what is more important or interesting, in my opinion, I finally recognize what is NZG. It's Nürnberger Zinkdruckguss. Zinkdruckguss. Ja, meine lieben Kollegen aus Deutschland, Sie wissen, was es bedeutet. And now I know it too. So it means actually diecast from zinc and models, yeah? So NZG. Great, now we know what it is. Let's now take it out of the box completely, and for that maybe, how difficult this can be, probably not that much. Nürnberg Zinkausdruckmodellen. Actually, there is also a paper showing you something, yeah? So what does it mean actually? We have something like, for the best possible visibility of LEDs, please darken the room. And I will do that. Just after unboxing, I will darken the room and then I will turn on the lights, exactly as they say. The main switch is located on the underside, and then the lighting has three different switching levels. The interior is also illuminated when a door is open. The LED are not changeable. Yeah, so it's for a lifetime. You can't change it like on a regular car, but now I think what we need is also a screwdriver and also batteries. I hope the batteries are included. Yeah, so wow, if not, then I will be so frustrated. Required 2 CR2032 button cell batteries, not included. Yeah, so here, not included. I will not show it to you today. Jesus Christ, I will make this video not just today, but I need to go to a shopping mall and buy batteries, and then I can finish this goddamn review. Alright guys, so sometimes I'm really upset. This is one of the days. Okay, good, so now take it out of the box. We also have gloves here. Yeah, I'm not using them because I'm too lazy, and I will just use my knife and my screwdriver. Oh, there is actually a screwdriver and there is also a door opening tool, which I will not use because I have my own. So let's just push it back. And now finally the model itself. And I must admit it was twice as expensive. So this one was like, I don't know, 250 something. This one was like 150. So this is really double the price of those two gray and black. Yeah, so that's also a big difference. Yeah? So if you want a working lighting, then you pay some premium extra. Maybe for most of you it doesn't matter, but for me, if I know that I can buy a premium model with this functionality, maybe it will be superior to those two. Alright guys, so now finally I unpacked this one and now I have them side by side. They are exactly the same, really. They are the same, only the color is a little bit different, and now we will compare them in this section of the video. So now let's start the review. So maybe let's start with this one here, and we already know this one. So just to remind you, I have a separate video for this one. It's a gray color, even if it looks more like black. It's gray and it has very nice wheels in compared to the black one. So you also see the metallic color, gray one, and the interior, which is blue and what is the second color? You tell me. It's light blue, dark blue, or something like that. You see here this blue, and then this is almost white, but it's a little bit of bluish as well. Yeah, so that's the color of this one. Not so bad. Let's place it here, and then I will show you this one before the new one. So here. Again, the wheels, I don't like them so much. I love the previous design a little bit more. And luckily, on the new one, we have this design of the wheels, which is cool. This is a black color, not so metallic. Here we see fingerprints. I'm sorry for that, guys. I need to wax them, polish them a bit. Yeah, but for the idea, yeah, so we have really this black color and the interior, which is then brown and dark gray or black. Yeah, so in my opinion, not so pretty, not so nice. I prefer light interior, especially in luxury cars. Yeah, this brown is maybe more suitable for BMW 7 Series, but not for electromobile or electric car like this EQS, which probably should have a light color. And this is now why we are here with this new addition to my collection, this EQS in silver, and actually they said, what was it, electric silver, or I don't know, and then this dark color. Yeah, so a combination, very nice. We have the crystals here, and there is a button. No button. We will find out. Yeah, wheels also turn, they spin here beautifully. Nice, and all of them from the same manufacturer, so probably the same form for casting, die cast. Yeah, and this, we have, it's almost not visible, but we have a small sticker here. Also here, maybe you see it, rounded sticker. And what about the wheels? They don't turn in the back, probably also not on the real car. I'm not sure if they should turn here or not. Because we also don't see the trim here. Yeah? It's nowhere visible what kind of power it has. Oh, on, off. Okay, so here's the button. Something happened. No, it doesn't look like. And here is the battery compartment. Yeah? So we will just test it shortly. I will open it, yeah, and see how this whole thing works. But before I do that, let me also open maybe here the trunk a little bit. Oh, it's not easy, but there are no stickers, but it's kind of hard even. Oh God, how is that possible? What about the others? Yeah, I always take a reference, like I take the other EQS, I try to open it. Yeah, here you see, easy. So what about this one? Why not? Why not? Oh, Jesus Christ, it's so difficult. No! So much power, it's not possible. Why not? It should be the same mechanism, guys. So what about in the front? We know that you can't open the front. It's just not possible. Also on the real one, there is also only this compartment. I think this is for charging and also for changing the fluids to wash your windshield. Yeah, you do it here. You never open the front because this is only for the maintenance guys in the service. Alright, so now what to do? I think the stickers first, then on-off here and changing the battery. Yeah, so maybe those are the steps. I'm mostly curious about the working and non-working lights. And I must tell you that I read this manual again, and the batteries should be included. Yeah? So I had some extra unnecessary emotions when I said that they are not included. They should be already in. So let's check. Yeah. Oh, little screw is on the floor. All right. And you see, batteries are in place. Oh, it's a little bit shaky here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. And the batteries are working or not? I don't see anything. I don't see any light. No, nothing. Then I will also later open the door, yeah, to see. Oh, this is so... What the fuck? Okay. Okay. It's like a birth of a child. Let's cut it now. No. Okay, I'm just joking too much. Sorry for that. All right, so we will test it. Don't worry, don't worry. I need to maybe open the door first, yeah, so that then it's finally working. Okay, so here the last sticker. Let me gently remove it with my dental tool, which is always the one to work with. Okay, and now opening it here, there. Oh, and then let's see if the light is finally working or not. Yeah, so. Oh, there is a light. I see it. So maybe you don't see it yet, but I see it. Look at that. On the roof or the ceiling, actually, there is a light there, and it looks okay. Also in the front, I see it like under the dashboard. There is something, and now the question is why here it's not working. And then I will of course try it in the dark as they recommended, but it's strange. So the switch is definitely working, yeah. Look at that. So when I switch the button, it's on or off. But what about here, the other parts? I don't understand that. Maybe I really need to read the manual again, and then it would be cool if the button would be also somewhere. Oh, but yeah, I don't know how it works. So yeah, so sorry. I'm sorry for that. But anyway, let's check now the interior. So what color it has, and it has again this gray. And of course the steering wheel, it's all connected, yeah, so steering wheel to the wheels, very nice. And this is the, wow, so much legroom. This is incredible. Look at that. And there is carpeting, yeah, so very, very nice. There are LCD screens here. Oh, wow. So this is a very, very nice model actually. What about the lights? I want to see it working. And here I want to open it immediately. Is it possible or not? Like, wow, it's already a little bit scratched here. Look at that. So here, a little bit scratched. But it still doesn't explain if we can open it or not. Like on the other EQS, I already showed you that it's perfectly possible. Is there something like... No. Okay, so this is also the bottom of this one with the batteries. And let me again show you the bottom of the regular one. It looks very much the same, so no huge difference. What about here? I can use this tool, very easy to open, very easy. But here, it's somehow, no, and maybe I can use this one. Oh God, if I scratch it. If I scratch it, I will be so upset. No, it looks like... Wow, it looks like it's really glued in somehow. Wow, maybe I need to first read something. If this with the batteries, if it is possible to open it. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm breaking it. No. It looks like I just broke something here. The light somehow. Yeah, guys, don't be confused like I am. I will maybe keep it closed for the safety of all of us and for the safety of my nervous system. I don't want to now destroy this precious model for 250 euro or dollars. So, alright, so this is probably the result, and now I will just try to somehow figure out how the lights could work. Okay, so after some minutes I finally got it. Yeah, so maybe I should turn off the lights and show it to you. Yeah, so maybe also from a different angle. So look at that here. Yeah? So we have, now it's focused. We have this emblem here. Wow, look at the LEDs. Yeah, look at them. Nice. Second, third one, and off. Yeah, and maybe also in the back. So look at that. Yeah, so then we will check it also in the dark, but here, important, you can press it here and then it works, yeah, like a charm. Alright guys, so now also in the dark, yeah, so you can probably only see now a little bit the interior. Look at that, very, very nice. And now I will turn on the lights here. Yeah, so first we have the regular daylights, and in the back this nice stripe. Then what can we do next? One more time. Oh, another dimension. And then, okay, so 1, 2, that's it. 1, 2, that's it. Very nice. And in the back, let's see if we have also 2 levels. No, it looks like only in the front. Yeah, so in the front, really, oh, it's quite sharp. If you look just directly into it, very nicely done. Yeah, so I really recommend this model. Very nice. So overall, I must say, really 3 great models. This one with working lightning and so on. Usually I'm collecting only black, yeah, but now first I bought this one because I thought it was black, but it wasn't. It was darker gray. Then I bought the black one, and then I realized there is another one with 2 colors, working lights. So now I have here 3 in my collection, and I think it doesn't make sense just to have 3. Yeah? So maybe 1 or 2 of them will go, or maybe not. Who knows? So it's still a little bit unclear to me what will actually happen, and yeah, in the end, they are really lovely. So if I recommend them, yes, of course, I would recommend them all. They are so great, so nice. And now, of course, I will make some nice pictures, and I will try to figure out if also the trunk on this electric one, and I don't, all of them are electric cars, but this one has really working lights and electricity inside. So I will try to open the trunk on this one. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Really, I recommend this model. It should be in your collection if you are into Mercedes Benz. And my personal pick would be probably this one. Yeah, it's the most luxurious one, and I love it so much already. Alright guys, so thank you for watching another review on my external star channel. Please make sure to subscribe to get more models, to get more insights, and see you next time. So see you next time. Bye bye.